Ito po ang DTF machine dito sa Robinson Novaliches. Operator po ako si Felix Murauda ng Honjet dito sa Novaliches. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit na may 61 meters kaming na-run dito as of this week. Ito po ang heads, capping. Last na napalitan yung heads nito October 2023 pa po, last year. Head clean tayo. Una swiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ito po ang ink system namin ay tama lang. Waste ink tank, nalinis every Friday. Ground wire, unused ink. Used ink. Film, powder. Ito naman po ang manual inventory namin. Pre-consumption, nakagamit tayo ng isang bote ng white as of this week. Cleaning solution, powder, yellow, cyan, black, magenta, 30 cm film. Ito na po yung manual workload, white ink. Ito naman po yung maintenance checklist natin. Maraming salamat po.